Hi Big Tractor Power fans, this video comes to you from a south central Wisconsin soybean field where a John Deere 8820 turbo combine equipped with a 20-foot wide John Deere 920 grain platform is harvesting the crop. This video will share with you the combine's production history, specifications, and original price tag. But first, let's head out to the field so that you can see and hear this big machine at work. The 8820 Turbo Combine was introduced by John Deere in the fall of 1978 as part of the new, for 1979, Titan series of combines. This range of machines included the 166 bushel 6620, 190 bushel 7720, and 222 bushel 8820. The new for 1979 Titan Series combines featured an all-new SoundGuard cab for improved operator comfort. These machines also offered turbocharged engines rated from 120 to 200 horsepower. Each of the new Titan Series combines featured a turbo decal on the side of the combine next to the model number. The Titan series of combines now offered a new reversible feeder house, 51% more grate area, plus 20-inch longer straw walkers to help save more crop during the threshing process. The original John Deere Titan series, also nicknamed the Yellow Top Turbos for their yellow cab roofs and turbo decals, were manufactured by the company at its East Moline, Illinois harvester works from 1979 through 1984. In 1985, John Deere updated the series to the new Titan II combines, which are easily identified by their green cab roofs. The 8820 Turbo is the top-of-the-line model in John Deere's Titan series of combines. It's powered by a turbocharged, intercooled 7.6-liter, 466 cubic inch, 6-cylinder John Deere engine. This machine was rated at 200 horsepower for model year 1979 and received a power upgrade to 225 horsepower in 1980. This machine features a 4-speed hydrostatic transmission and is fitted with a 100-gallon diesel fuel tank. The 8820 Turbo features a 65.5-inch cylinder and 6 straw walkers for threshing. It's fitted with a 222 bushel grain tank and was available with a standard 17-foot unloading auger, and an optional 20-foot unloading auger could be ordered. This big combine unloads grain at 2.2 bushels per second. The original price tag for a John Deere 8820 turbo two-wheel drive model, like the one featured in this video harvesting soybeans, was $102,281. When four-wheel drive was added as an option, the price tag increased by $6,980. When the 8820 Turbo was introduced in the fall of 1978, it eclipsed John Deere's previous largest combine, the Model 7700 Turbo, significantly. The 7700 Turbo was manufactured by the company from 1969 through 1978. This combine is powered by a 6.6-liter, 404 cubic inch, 6-cylinder John Deere diesel engine. The standard 7700 Turbo was rated at 128 horsepower, and customers could order an optional 145 horsepower model. This machine was available with John Deere's Positorque ground drive transmission, and a hydrostatic ground drive transmission was another popular option for the machine. It's equipped with a 55-inch cylinder and 5 straw walkers for threshing. The combine came with a standard 129-bushel grain tank and could be upgraded to 169 bushels with factory-installed grain bin extensions. The 7720 Turbo unloads through a pivot-style auger that has a 10-inch diameter at 1.5 bushels per second. The original price tag for this combine was $37,916. For model year 1985, John Deere introduced the Titan II series of combines. The 8820 Turbo, with its yellow cab roof, was replaced by the new green roof model 8820 Titan II. The 8820 Titan II featured two major changes beyond the color change of the cab roof. The first were planetary final drives that allowed for factory-installed dual wheels on the combine. The second major change was the increase in the sieve size on the combine. The 8820 Turbo featured sieves that were 46.1 inches long, and the 8820 Titan II features 52.6-inch long sieves. The other specifications of the 8820 Titan II were identical to the 8820 Turbos. This combine was manufactured by John Deere from 1985 through 1988 and had an original price tag of $120,780. I hope that you've enjoyed spending time out in the south central Wisconsin field with the John Deere 8820 Turbo Combine harvesting soybeans. Does your farming operation use a John Deere Titan Series combine, or have you operated one in the past? I'd like to hear about it in the comment section below. Let me know if it's a yellow top turbo model or a green top Titan 2 model, and the crops that you harvest with it. If you've enjoyed this video, consider subscribing to Big Tractor Power YouTube, where there's over 1,000 videos of farm machines in action. As always, thank you for watching.